Today, I'm going to be showing you a new way to search for Instant Pot recipes. Hi, today I'm going to be showing you a little something different. I'm here in my office instead of my kitchen, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use my new recipe index to filter through all those recipes that I've done in the past. I know you're trying to find one specific Instant Pot recipe that you know that you've heard me talk about. This is the way that you're going to be able to do it, the easiest and the fastest. Go to 365daysofcrockpot.com and you'll see a yellow button that says Recipe Index. Click there. Then it will bring up this new way to filter recipes. So if you're looking for an Instant Pot recipe, you just click Instant Pot. And let's say I wanted beef, so I'm going to go push beef. And it will pull up all my Instant Pot beef recipes. And you can scroll down and see that there's more than one page of beef recipes that are made in the Instant Pot. You can narrow your search even further. Let's say you're looking for something that's gluten-free or can be gluten-free. Let's push that. Then you'll see all the recipes that I have categorized as such. On mobile, you're just going to go ahead and pull open the website, 365daysofcrockpot.com. Click on the three lines that are below the logo, and you'll see the recipe index that's in yellow. Click on that. And then it's going to pull open ways for you to filter, just like on the desktop version. I'm going to go to Instant Pot, and I'm going to make something with chicken tonight. And you can just scroll down, and all the Instant Pot chicken recipes should be there. Now there's a ton of Instant Pot chicken recipes, so you can just keep scrolling down. And then when you get to the bottom, you're going to see these page numbers. So we're on page 1. You can go to 2, 3, and there's more pages beyond those first 3 pages. Join the 365 Days of Instant Pot Recipes Facebook group. And I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel. See you next Tuesday. Bye-bye.